What's up, my people? Now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, any side, anywhere where for they receive this message. Another bonge, wonderful Friday don't reach again. I say happy new week, happy weekend to everybody. I greet you now. Done and dusted, as we both talk now. Nigeria election don't finish. Abumo say the most violent election in the whole wide world don't finish. As well, this 2019 Nigeria decide election, Ha! I be the most violent one wey Nigeria don ever have. The worst things for election na happen this year. But anyway, you know guys as e dey be, una know who dey here na. Na me be Mega, una own very person wey dey come una way every Friday come dey discuss one or two things on how our country go take better. You understand? I know as e dey be na, if you never hit the subscribe button, oya, wetin you dey wait for? If you no hit am, wetin you gain? Hit the subscribe button, so that whenever we dey drop every Friday, you go dey get the latest things wey dey happen. We dey get that, we dey discuss some kind matter. Because after the whole news don flash everywhere, later we go still bring out the truth. Because this one na be the topic wey dey say let the truth be told with Mega, and na me dey here with una. So the ogbonge story wey we bring for una this very weekend na the violence wey dey for the election the 2019 one. E too much. E just too much. The killing too much. My people, officially for this 2019 election, 237 people were killed. The ones wey dem fit record o. Ordinary election na war. What if say dem come dey do war? Na if be say the whole country go finish. Election wey dem go vote o, dem turn am to war. E no good. You know, I remember the last video wey I do the other weekend wey I dey beg say abeg our young boys abeg all these men dem go dey house una go dey kill each other, nobody hear. Many boys, many people die, youth wey die for this election, e go reach 4-1 community. Why wetin una gain? How much dem pay una? For Lagos o, that one, the one wey happen for Lagos, na that one dem stone one ballot box notcher, stone am to death. They even dey wan dey burn people because of election. What if say na war now na im come happen to Nigeria? Na im be say everybody go die. Dem do election take 3 days before result come outside. Dem say na bubu na im win again, our Buhari. Buhari, you are welcome again o. Welcome, I tell you. Welcome, bros, our godfather, our great grandfather. Carry, no, you no even come after this 4 years finish, still run again. Carry, chop am. If you no take care, wetin happen to Abacha go happen to you. So make una dey carry. Nigerians, I don't know. Although una don make una choice, una don make una choice and una gat to face the consequences. Because me know say if youth don come out, youth wey come out for this election reach 50 youth wey come out for this election, none of them wey una see give better vote. Even Sowore wey we know say the guy go deliver, una no still give am better vote. But anyway, I still congratulate my very good man Omoyele Sowore for the vote wey he get. Though no be him win, but the one wey he get, we know say come 2003, Sowore is going there. He's going to Aso Rock as the Nigerian president. That one is sure. God is still saying something. I know that my candidate will be our next president. But Nigerians, time don reach more wising up. Now, Buhari don win again. What is the next? Wetin go happen next? Work go dey, road go dey, hospital go dey, hungry go stop, youth wey don comot for wey don graduate go get work. Many corpers lose their life, many corpers wound because of this election. Election turn to war for Nigeria. Why? My people, why? Anyway, the family wey lost people, may their soul rest in peace. Their soul rest in peace. We really pity una. May God give una the heart to bear. People wey die, may their soul rest in peace. Family wey lose people, may God give una heart to bear the lost. May this one still teach youth say election day, if you no get voters card, dey your house. And the kind power wey dem give to me, I don't know whether na military regime we dey, I mean na democracy regime we dey again. The kind way wey military dey intervene for this election dey really tire me. When military dey everywhere, people dey pass, they go dey search, dey control everywhere. They don't even let people get freedom of movement to go vote. Eh? Nigeria, we need to know that way we dey. Whether na military dey go back, whether na democracy we dey, we no even know that we dey. We confused. Military dey intervene for election. Eh? I must tell you the truth. Let the truth be told. More you talk true. More no fear anybody. I no dey fear your face. I no dey fear anybody's face. Forward this message to anywhere. 2019 Nigeria decide election. General presidential election wasn't fair. It wasn't free and fair at all. It wasn't free and fair at all. The election was rigged. Violence everywhere. It turned into war. My people, we need to get sense. We need to get sense. And for the PDP, me right from time, we don't like Buhari, we don't like am, Atiku we don't like am. Atiku for not even make Nigeria better because we know say if to say Atiku enter for 2 years, he go still dey there dey do nothing. With excuse wey go dey give us now, say he meet empty treasury. Say Buhari keep debt for am, Buhari do this for Buhari no keep money, say they try accumulate money. Meanwhile, they thief the one wey he meet there. Na him be Nigeria, na him be politician, na him be the excuse wey dey give. If they enter office the first 2 years, na thief they dey thief. They go dey give excuse say they meet empty treasury, say they meet empty purse, say money no dey for the government account. But now they don thief and finish. Na him be the excuse wey they dey give. Now see Baba, Obasanjo. Obasanjo now run after as they just declare Buhari winner. The next day, na so Obasanjo take off. They spot am for London. He take off. He dey London now. He don run comot for Nigeria. Saraki, wey politician wey be prostitute, political prostitute, wey dey from APC dey run to PDP, PDP run back to APC, APC run back to PDP. That is very good for you, huh? You don lose your seat, huh? Nice one, huh? Rubbish. All these political prostitutes, na need to stop am, eh? They run up and down, they jump. Watch now, all these people wey run to PDP because they believe say Atiku go win. They don't know say power belongs to God. Watch before by this time next year, all of them don run back again to APC. Which kind of shawo politician una be? Na dey run up and down, no fit stand for one place. Abeg, Nigeria, we need to get sense. Like seriously, we need to receive brain. We need to get sense. I dey beg una. We need to get sense, eh? And our youth, abeg, una go find work. If you no fit go school, go learn work. Go do sales boy, save us more money, start something. Dey sell clothes, dey sell something. Start business, learn work, go school, do anything. You graduate, come out from school, no dey carry file up and down from office to office. Find something dey do. Na make dey initiate this very good entrepreneurship. Start up something on your own. You know, government no fit do everything for you. So I dey beg una, eh? Even if say anybody win, even if say God come down dey rule the country, if you no still work, you no go chop, work and chop. You understand? For the people wey lose their life for the election, I say make una rest in peace, eh? Family wey get family wey their people die for the election, abeg make una take am. May God give una the power to bear the loss, eh? May life move on. And people wey their money still wait for this election, I say though such is life, make una take heart. And Buhari, you wey win, abeg do us well. Government govern us well. I dey beg una. This forthcoming election now wey dey this month of March, wey we dey for the governorship, another one, I dey beg una, make this presidential one wey this on this February 23rd election, presidential election wey dey violent like war, make still teach all those our youth sense. Make dem just go away from all this violence, all this fight. All these people now wey don die, dem no dey come back again. Nobody go compensate their family. Their family don lost human being. So you wey be top wey dem don still pay, say make you go snatch again for governor. My brother, chop money, move ahead, or better still leave that money for them. I dey beg you, make you too no go lose your life again. I dey beg you, eh? Abeg, our governor, our police, make una do una work. Make una try as much as possible. Make this 2019 governorship election, make e dey free and fair, free of violence and free of killings. I dey beg una. Una know as e dey be na una very own person Mega na him dey talk. Na him dey talk to una. We go still see again next week Friday for another ogbonge wonderful topic. You understand? If you receive this message, like, comment, share to your friends, share with your friends, eh? Share to our people there. Make dem stay away from violence this forthcoming election for the governorship. Make dem no fight, make dem no kill anybody. Abeg una. Make you go find work. Go if you that day you get voters card, go vote. If you no get, my brother, dey your house dey sleep. Chop, no do it, no go dey cause problem. I dey beg una, eh? So if you never subscribe to my channel, subscribe, eh? because na here we go dey treat matter every weekend, we go dey treat am dey let una know as things be, dey bring out advice wey go make life better for us, go make things better for us. So I greet una respect, I greet all of una. Know as e dey be na, na mega una person dey here. I'm over and out.